welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, my name is Nikita and welcome to my channel. And today's video is actually a channel update because what has happened is that the last video that I had put up was approximately a month back और उसके बाद कोई video नहीं डाला है. So I thought that a channel update was due, that what happened, where did I vanish, and if there are going to be any more videos. So actually in the past 1 month, 1.5 months, a lot of changes have happened in my life. Number one being the working situation, because as you know that pandemic की वजह से everyone was working from home, but then suddenly my office resumed and I had to go to office. And एक साल का वो पूरा आदत लग गया था working from home, and now suddenly making this transition was very difficult, at least for the first 2-3 weeks. And it was for some reason it was extremely tiring. Like मैं घर पे आती थी and I would just fall flat and sleep for 2 to 3 hours. So there was literally no time for editing videos, though I had shot some videos, but edit करने का time ही नहीं मिल रहा था. So actually in the month of Feb we'd gone to Goa, so I had shot a vlog over there as well, but I couldn't edit it because of lack of time. Then there are a few videos that I had shot way back in November and December as well, some vlogs in January as well, day in my life, and some kind of vlogs which I really want to sit and now edit. And now that given that अभी 1 महीना हो गया almost going to office, so I am almost back in routine, so now I'm used to this life again. So probably now I'll have more time to edit videos, more time to shoot videos, so I'm going to do that. Also again the pandemic, I don't know if this is a wave 2 या कौन सा wave है, but it is back in Mumbai in full force, and the number of cases in Mumbai is scary, frightening, everything. So ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रहा है लाइफ में. I mean we're not going out literally, so that is why थोड़ा सा shooting भी कम हो गया. But now this is just a channel update that now the videos are going to be back every week, and I'm going to first of all edit the backlog that I have and then shoot new videos. And I also want to announce a few new series that I'm starting on my channel. Number one being Made in India series. So while I shop a lot from H&M and Zara, my most favorite thing to do is to shop from local Indian brands. My wardrobe is actually full with stuff from Indian brands. तो काफ़ी सारे brands होते हैं जिनका सिर्फ Instagram पे store होता है, किसी का physical store होता है, but majorly I shop for Indian brands online, or I have come across many brands on Instagram itself, so I keep on shopping from these brands. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start a series, Made in India series, where in each video I try to cover 2 or 3 brands and show you the pieces that I've got from them and cover other things like their shipping policies, exchange, returns, and so on. So that is the number one series that I'm planning to do. And secondly, what I'm also planning to start doing now is shooting a few recipe videos. My cooking style is actually very practical and easy to do things, though I also like to go elaborate sometimes, and I like to have these nights where I can have say a Mexican night, a Chinese night, and so I will make dishes from that cuisine. So I'm planning to make these kind of videos so that I can share my recipes and if it's helpful for a few people. Also I do a lot of meal prep because I generally do not have time to cook every day. So I generally on weekends prep for the entire week and so on. So probably I'll try to cover those things as well in videos. So these were some of the series ideas that I have. But obviously if you guys have any requests, please put them down in the comment section. I reply to almost all comments that I get. So that is it for our channel update. So now you can look out for videos coming on my channel again. And now moving to the second part of the video where I am doing a Nykaa haul. So actually this was supposed to be a mini Nykaa haul, but I am not sure what has happened here. We'll figure out. And as I said in the previous video also, एक तो Nykaa हर एक product को अलग अलग डब्बे में डाल के देता है. I don't know why. So let me quickly unbox everything and let me show you the things that I got from Nykaa.
2,000 years later.
So I have all the products out, and as usual I have my phone to check the prices. So let's just begin with the haul. So the first thing that I can see is the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I'm sure that all over Instagram, YouTube, जो भी खोलो हर जगह यही ad है. I'm sure you guys have seen it. And actually these ads made me buy it because right now the temperature in Mumbai, it is very weird. It is so hot. I don't think Mumbai has ever been this hot. Already in the month of March it has touched 42 degrees. So applying a moisturizer, like a heavy moisturizer, is absolutely a no-no for me. So I decided to give this thing a try. Oh my god, this is so small. I did not expect it to be this small. But okay, let me just check the price that I've paid for it. So this was for 499 and I got it for 449. And also I actually bought these products because Nykaa was running an offer in the month of March that on ICICI card, that if you have an ICICI credit card, you were getting 10% off, which is why I bought this. So this was for 449 and then an additional 10% off, so additional 44 rupees off. But oh my god, this is so small. I did not expect it to be this small. This better be worth it now. I'm going to try this. And the next thing is this sunscreen from a brand called Dermafique. I've never even heard about this brand but I was looking for a sunscreen on Nykaa because all my sunscreens are over, and this just popped in and it had very good rating, so I decided to go for it. And wow, this is like a good bottle, plus it has a pump. This looks good, so hopefully it should be good. Let me check the price. So the MRP is 749 and I paid 600 for this, additional 10% off. Not bad, and the reviews were actually very good, and it is good for oily skin, and I have like very bad oily skin, so looking forward to using this. And the next thing that I got are these facial kits, like do at home facial kits from Cheryl's Cosmetics. Now I am not into facials at all. मैंने अपने life में एक बार facial कराया है, just 2 days before my wedding, that is it. But because I was like venturing out इतना, like when I go to office the sun is like very bright, which is why my skin has become like so dull, and matlab the uneven tanning and all of those things, and I've read very good reviews about this thing, so I thought that let me just give it a try. और ये brand actually मैंने बहुत सालों पहले use किया था, 3-4 years back or maybe more than that. Someone had suggested this brand to me और मैंने इसका face wash use किया था and it was very good. So I thought that let me just give it a try, and especially offer था that if you buy 2 of these it was for 500, otherwise each is for 300. And I got one more product from this brand. Yeah, this under eye gel roller, and let me just show it to you. So basically this is like an under eye roller similar to the Garnier one. If it opens, it's not opening at all. Oh, okay. I had to actually unscrew it and I was pulling it. So yeah, this is an under eye gel with caffeine and pro vitamin B5. So actually there were like multiple offers on this brand, and if you buy like say products worth $7.99 and more, they were also giving a jade roller free, which I have got over here. So this was actually free just because I bought the facial kits and the under eye gel, which was I think 500 or 600. I'll just check and put the price somewhere below. And I got this jade roller free. So I'm not sure about the authenticity of this jade roller because I've heard that these crystals need to be pure to actually work, but I think it's a good tool to just depuff, so I'm looking forward to it. The next product is a Laneige lip glowy balm. So actually the thing with me is that I have this area near my upper lip यहाँ पे, which is like super dry. Like there is a entire area, like a circular area which is super dry, and every 3-4 months में like this thing will like resurface and एकदम dry हो जाएगा, and no matter how much lip balm I apply, it doesn't go away. Now that I wear a mask almost every day because I go to office, तो पूरा दिन mask पहन के मैं बैठती हूँ. So because of that, there's some reaction happening on my upper lip area, and it has become like super dry. So I have finished up all the lip balms that I had. All of my lip balms are finally over, and which is why I was looking for a new one. And I really like the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I've been using it for almost a year now, and this is like, it's a similar thing, it's just that it has some color. So I've got it in berry shade, and it is not coming out. Okay, yeah, so it has very similar consistency, but it has some color to it also, and a nice fragrance. And it has very good reviews, so I decided to give it a try, which is why I got it. Let me show you the price for it. So this is for $6.90 and no offers on it, just the 10% off on ICICI, that is it. The next product that I got is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I'm not into foundations a lot, like I apply very little foundation on a few days, and generally when I apply I use either the Estee Lauder or the Chanel one. But both of them are expensive, and given that we are not traveling right now, it's not possible to get from other countries because it is relatively cheaper in other countries. So I decided to give this a try because actually, to be very honest, Instagram made me buy it because I was getting the ad for Maybelline Fit Me almost anywhere and everywhere, and I saw a few videos on YouTube and everyone was raving about this product, so I just thought that let me give it a try, which is why I got it. And I have it in the shade 128. So basically I use that website foundation, or I leave the link in the description box, wherein you can put the shade of one of your existing foundations and they suggest you which shade you should go for in some other brand. And this was originally for 549 and I got it for 412. So I thought that was a very decent deal for a foundation, and if this is actually good, then getting a foundation for 400 rupees is too good. So looking forward to using this. And the next product is this Vela Oil Reflections. Well, this is not for me, this is for my husband, and this is probably the only hair oil that he applies. Fancy, but yeah, this is for him, and this is for 600 rupees. It's never on discount generally. And just that I got a sample size shampoo free with this, and I love this shampoo. It's Vela Oil Reflections, so very good shampoo, and this is such a good size to carry for some travel or some other thing. So these two. Then the next product is again an under eye cream. This is from a brand called Wishcare. This is a collagen boosting under eye cream. So basically right now, because of like constantly being on the laptop or the phone screen, my under eye area has become like Sahara Desert. It is so dry, and I can actually see age catching up on my under eye area, and which is why I decided to go for an under eye cream. And this is like an all natural cream. It's very difficult to get it out. So this is how it looks, and it has a pump which is very good and a cover. So full marks over there. And I know about this brand because I have used some hair products from this brand, and it's a very nice brand, natural and free from chemicals, because I do not mind using chemicals on my skin, good chemicals like hyaluronic acid and all of those serums that come. But with my under eye area, it's a little sensitive, which is why I was looking for something natural. I'm just checking for the price. So this is only for 400 rupees and it has such good reviews, and if this actually works, imagine getting a good under eye cream for 400 rupees. I mean, the other under eye creams that I've tried from very good brands have all been about 3k. So if this actually works, I'm going to be very happy. So let's see if it can help me moisturize. I don't think any under eye cream can help you get rid of dark circles. It never works. But if it can take care of the dryness, it will be helpful for me. And the last two products are actually like the Dettol hand wash, which is what came in the biggest box. I was wondering why such a big box. I mean, आजकल जितना लो ये उतना कम है, बहुत फटाफट खत्म होता है. And the next thing is the Synthol head to toe wash. Basically, it's a body wash, and it is such a good size if you want to travel. So generally, I keep multiple body wash handy in my house, because if you want to travel or somewhere, just pick one and go. And which is why I got this. So that is all for my Nykaa haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I said in the beginning of the video, now there are going to be more videos. So if you have any requests, please leave them in the comment section. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. तो पूरी वो आ गई थी, किधर बैठ गई है? My back. Ah, God. Supposed to be a mini Nykaa haul, but I'm not sure what has happened over here.
So sorry, I'm really sorry.
सब ये जो आवाज आएगा वो वापस शूट करते, पैट करके भेजते. Mani, why should you laugh?
Nikki.
It. Laugh.